BMW M Skills How to Use Launch Control. The first thing you have to do is warm up the engine. Secondly, turn DCS off. The third step is to switch from automatic to manual. It is also important to set drive logic to level 3. Now put your left foot on the brake pedal, press down as far as it goes, apply full throttle with the right foot to generate a kickdown. This activates launch control and a checker flag will appear. Now we can vary the rotational speed where you would normally adjust cruise control. Push it up for more rotational speed, push it down for less rotational speed. The optimum rotational speed is between 3 and 3.5 thousand revolutions per minute. The rest is a breeze. Take one foot off the brake and keep the other at full throttle.